Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to send stars on Monopoly Go. So if you open this application, as you can see right now, this should be the landing page of Monopoly Go, okay? Now pay attention on your lowest part of your screen. There is going to be a win section, a build section, an album section, and of course, a friends section. I want you to click on this specific one that's called album, and we're gonna look for this thing that called String of Fate, okay? Now, once you click on String of Fate, you're gonna see these stickers which have stars on them. Now, you might ask, how come the other album has also stars, right? For this specific String of Fate, if you send them to your friends, the stars will come along with it. Now, however, the thing here is, you need to have a duplicate first. For example, this arranged feature right here. Make sure you have another arranged feature card before you can send it to your friends, okay? However, just click on it, choose a friend to send to, and the star will be sent to them. So thank you so much for watching. That's how you send stars on Monopoly Go. Okay, please subscribe and have a good one. Goodbye for now.